My name is... Okay, I want to begin.
Here's the instructions, put it together. It's simple, ain't it? But it's quite clever. You gotta shine until your light becomes blinding. Whatever you do, stay focused. You have to be what you want to see.
Hello, I'm Anna, and I'm an actor. I've been an artist for 10 years now. I work with children, various types of children from every age. And I have been experimenting with dance movement therapy for about 2 years, I guess. So for me, dance therapy, I think it's important to note that it's a reliable type of therapy that you can use either in big groups, small groups, or working with individuals. And it's a body type therapy. And the nice thing is that the participants don't have to have any type of experience to embrace it. It doesn't matter the age, the ability, and it's a way to discover yourself and others through movement, and a natural way to express yourself through the body. It helped me to better communicate with myself, first of all, to understand better how I feel, why I move and how I move and why I move this way, and to understand the people that surround me better through analyzing their movements. And also to communicate with people and with nature and with myself. And for my professional part, it was a great way to work with, especially with children that have no words to communicate, and to help them better express their feelings and emotions. I think through dance movement therapy, because you are using the body and you're not using the words, you as a participant you are more honest and more vulnerable. So when you are in a relationship that only involves movement, you can build trust easier because you are true to yourself, right, and to the person in front of you. So that helps the other one be themselves easier, I guess.
Hello, I'm Alina. I'm a special education teacher at special school St. Nicolas, and I work with children with disabilities. For me, dance therapy means a way to connect with the others, a way to use movement, kinesthetic sensations to communicate with the others, and to create better relation with the group. Also, it means a way to better express ourselves, myself, and also to get in harmony with the other members that I work with. Dance therapy helps me professionally because I have learned new methods, techniques to apply when working with my students. because most of them have problems in adapting to groups, to social groups, and these techniques help them very much. But also it helped me personally, because all the teachers that took part in this group discovered a way to better interact with each other and to really create a team. It's a way that help us to connect, to communicate, and to release all our maybe not so functional feelings or adapted feelings to the social group, and this is a way to release all of that. Also, it helps me personally because I discover how to help my son, who has social problems in communicating with others and in having adapted reactions. I discovered that it is a proper way for him to learn this in a fun way, because dance therapy also it's a method that you can feel it like it's a fun way, in a fun way. Through dance therapy, I can find things about myself that I didn't know, because dance therapy has a very deep roots in psychology. All the techniques that we used so far, that we've learned, it really helps to become more aware that you can trust other people and connect with them safely, without being judged, without being left aside, without being criticized, and that you are welcomed and loved the way you are.
Hi, I'm Alina and I'm speech and language therapist in Bucharest, Special School St. Nicolas. Now I really can make the difference between dance and dance therapy, and I really want to continue with this, not only with information but with practicing too. In dance therapy, it's me, it's my body, it's my soul, it's my emotions. First, professionally, I really want to continue with this project because I can work individual with some kids with special needs or in small groups, and for me it's very useful to continue in my daily program, and I really want to do this. It's very helpful because when I start this project, I realize sometimes dance therapy, it's about the first moment. It's hard to catch this first moment without other therapy. I start to focus on all the body, not only one gesture. And I think it's important. I think I can use some parts of dance therapy before start AAC, augmentative and alternative communication. Now in this project, I think we are a group, therapy group, dance therapy group, not only in practicing meetings, but online too. I'm very comfortable with all the persons involved in this project. I don't know, my hope that this project will be full of success, I'm sure. I think for me it was very strange to realize how dance, or not only dance, movements influence my feeling, my emotions. I can use this in all situations. I think I can feel different when I am only in pair or when I am in the circle, in the whole group.